Welcome to my watercolor painting channel. This video is about still life painting. If you are a beginner, then you should start practicing with still life. Place the objects before you and start sketching them. You can choose water bottle, vegetables or fruits or anything that you like. I choose paint tubes and I placed it on a light color cloth. Seeing that, I started sketching those objects. While sketching, I want to share two tips with you. That is, the first one is hold your pencil always 2 inches above the tip. Second is, while sketching, move your arms from your shoulder joint. Don't just move your fingers as if you are writing. Take your time until you are satisfied with your sketch. I also want to share another tip, that is, while painting the objects, place those objects on a white paper or on light color cloth so that there is no reflection of that cloth over the subject, over the objects. So while sketching, don't rush up your sketch. Take your own time until you are satisfied with your sketch. That is all about sketching. Next, I want to share how to do a realistic painting. While painting, notice what are the highlight areas in the object. Highlights are the area where light is hitting the object, and it is always be in white color. So always remember to leave that white as paper white. Next, look for lighter values in the object. After painting the lighter values, look for medium values in that object and then go for darker values. After finishing all these, you should add the shadows. Shadows gives 3D effect to our painting. I always create shadows by mixing the color that I am using to paint with its complementary color, so that you can create your own gray color or your own muddy color, which is apt for painting your shadows. These are some of the tips that I followed while painting these tubes. So if you have any queries, just write it down in the comment section. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more watercolor painting videos. Thanks for watching this video. See you in another video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.